Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Isra and today I'm going to show you how to use a Gua Sha on your face. But before that, we're going to do a couple different massages on the body in order to open up the lymph and to get it moving. If the lymph is stagnant or it's not moving, then there's a possibility for breakouts to happen if you do use a Gua Sha, but also you will reap better benefits. And it's very relaxing. It also helps with decreasing anxiety and moving your body into the parasympathetic nervous system response, which is the rest and digest. And that is something that we so need these days. A lot of us are in that sympathetic nervous system response. Chronic low-level stress is very detrimental to our health. It causes inflammation in the body. It does weigh us down energetically and physically drains us of energy. So we're going to start with doing circular motions above the clavicle bone right here. Remembering to breathe in and out. You can do this for 10 to 20 times. And now below the clavicle bone as well. And you can do some sort of like pumping motion if that feels right. You can do a circular motion here as well. And now behind the ear, we're going to also do a circular motion on each side. This is great for decreasing stress. And you can do a motion like this, where it stimulates the vagus nerve, which is essential for relaxing the body. And we tend to store quite a bit of tension in this area as well, the jaw, and like massaging that also helps. We're now going to massage the armpits, circular motion under the armpits, 10 to 20 times. You might feel some tension here, you might not. And now the other side as well. You can already notice maybe your breath is deepening and the desire just to relax even more. Self-massage is so important and so crucial. Some people don't have the money to get a massage or they don't have the insurance to pay for it. So it's very important to have that tool for yourself. To massage your stomach either below or on the belly button, we're going to just make circular motion, massaging this area. And be gentle here. If it feels uncomfortable, make a lighter sort of circular motion. Now you're massaging the bikini line. Just in circular motion. And now behind your knee as well. And right on the line of the knee on both sides. And now tapping on the areas where you massage, so right above the clavicle bone and then below the clavicle bone and then behind your ear and under your armpits. And then on your stomach, and then behind your knees. And now you're ready to do a Gua Sha routine. I'm going to be using jojoba oil. You can use sea buckthorn oil, sandalwood oil. Living Libations is one of my favorites. They have very clean products. It's very important to use clean products on your skin, on your body, your shampoo, your conditioner, whatever it is that you place on your skin, on your hair. This is going to get absorbed into your blood system. It's going to get absorbed into your body. And if we're placing products onto the skin that is toxic, then over time there's going to be a toxic load on the body. This is going to create disease in the body. So I'm going to take a couple drops of this oil and then just place it all around your face, gently massaging beneath your eyebrows, massaging on your chin, above your lip, your neck, your chest area. And make sure that your gua sha is clean. We're going to start off by using this side. And we're going to have a light sort of pressure on the skin. And depending on your skin type, it might be beneficial not to have too much of a pressure. In general, just gentle, going up, upwards, and stopping right at the hairline. And another thing you can do is right beneath the eyebrows. So here, it feels great. It feels like releasing a lot of tension from the body. So there's something called face mapping where different parts of the face correlate to different parts of the body. So for example, this place right here is the large intestine. And right here is the liver. So if you massage these areas, it's like reflexology for the feet. There are different parts of the body that correlate to different parts of the feet. When you massage those areas, it is said that it then helps to stimulate and clear the stagnation in those organs. And we're going to use this side as well. So we're going to, with light pressure, go up. This is meant to be very relaxing. Nothing too harsh or too strong, because I see some people using this in a lot of pressure with it, and you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to have gentle pressure. There is time and place for it. If you're doing it on your back and you want to release tension, but you don't want red marks on your face, that's why I'm mentioning not to place too much pressure on the gua sha when you're using it. Ideally, in front of a mirror would be best, so you can see what you're doing. So just for this video, I'm doing it in front of the camera so you guys can see. And then sometimes I like to do it on my lips as well, gentle. And then right at where the jaw is. And then right on the neck and shoulder area where a lot of people have tension held. And doing this on both sides, of course. And then you can do it right beneath your chin. And right on your chest area as well. You can pretty much do this anywhere in your body. And over time, when you use this, and like I did it for 30 days, my skin looked more radiant. There's more of this moisture to my face, I guess because of the constant use of healthy oils. And there's this myth that if you use an oil on your face, make your skin even more oily if you have oily skin. And that's not true, actually. It'll bring balance to your skin. If you have acne, it'll also help, especially if it's sandalwood oil or sea buckthorn oil, which is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants and vitamins that your skin needs. I hope this video benefited you. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.